I got this phone with a busted charge port. It broke off basically, and nobody would fix it because it has only one circuit board here and everything is on it. And the charge port was here in this location, very close to some sensitive parts, so there's no place to get in with a soldering iron or heat gun or anything like that, because then you damage, even the camera is here, you damage all the things in this area. So what I did was I took out the charge port. It was still connected with the ground in the two sides. The case of the plug was still connected to the circuit board. So I managed to connect a positive wire and kind of bend it back into a small tube to charge the phone through the headphone jack to get a negative lead, and the positive I just stuck it inside the tube where the two wires would make a connection. And yeah, that was not ideal, and in the past few months, or at least a year, it hasn't worked. So that was my old solution. It kind of worked, and I used this phone for recording full HD video for YouTube, and it worked. So now I want to use it again. I know it, for a fact it still works, but this solution is not good. So what I thought I would do is I bought one of these charging modules for $1, I think, which have a standard micro USB port, and it can charge a battery at up to 1 amp, I believe. And yeah, this is the very good solution, because you can basically tap these two leads from the battery, just connect it there, and you're done. You can even use your phone while connected, and yeah. But I also have this module from Bluetooth selfie stick. So this is basically with a button, and that's all it can transmit, that you press the button and then the camera activates. That's all it does. But it also comes with a battery, and it can charge the battery through the USB port. So you could theoretically connect this one to the battery and charge it. So that's not what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to use the USB port. Yeah, if I can. Yeah. So basically, I don't know if I can zoom in enough. There's the positive trace coming from the USB port. Oh, right, I can just solder it to the leg of this. What is this? Some kind of chip. I can solder a wire here and one on the ground, wherever. This is fine, wherever. And then I can have 5 volts coming to the charge circuit of the phone. So I'll connect it here to the red wire, and I found the ground pad here. So I can charge the phone with the red and this here. I'll solder a wire here and take it out through this hole in the back, and I will just glue this. I hot glue this right here on the back, so I can plug in the port and whatever. This is also far from ideal, but I don't really need this module. I haven't used it for anything, and yeah, maybe I'll salvage this switch. That seems nice. Oh, but it's kind of soldered in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points, so I'm not going to salvage that. I'll just connect it as is, hot glue it here, maybe with the port sticking out, I don't know, and yeah, I'll be able to charge this phone again. So let's see. Wow, I talked for 5 minutes. Okay, without doing anything. So let's so this positive needs to be longer, and let's get some flexible wires here because we don't want rigid. Yeah, I prepared for this, I swear, but I don't know where I put my wire. Oh, I got one here, I think. No, this is solid. Crap. I had a bunch of them somewhere. Yeah. Nah, I think I'll just use rigid if I can't find a piece. I don't really care. I'm not going to take this apart anymore. I'll just use rigid wire from a Cat 5 cable. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I always end up using these. So put some solder on it, and this will be the red wire. Come on. Get the insulation off one end with scissors because I'm too lazy to get a proper tool. Yeah. Solder, and I need to solder this to the leg of that small little chip. I hope I can do it without any stupid tools, so I can reach like this and like this. Did it work? It worked. Okay, so that's the positive, and let's take a negative which needs to go inside. Let's also check, I'll check in the end if it shorted out anything. That's not ideal if I shorted it out. So yeah, like that. And the negative will go inside here on the phone. Let's put some solder on this first. Oh boy. And solder it like this. Okay, that went well. It's staying on. So yeah, I don't need that anymore. I mean, I don't need to access anything here anymore. I just put on the back. Yeah, like this. Here's the red wire. Yes. And this will stand like this somewhere. Maybe I'll have to access the audio port, so I can put it maybe here. Yeah, like there. That will be fine. So let me bring this wire to the red wire, like that. And what else do I need to do? Connect this one. Oh yeah, cut down these. These make no sense to have these short wires here. Just yeah, I mean, basically I leave this wire as long it is now, and this one, yeah, these two. So I just solder it to the red wire. Yeah, this was pre-planned. Really, really nice plan. I just thought I would make a video about the USB port. Okay, like that. And yeah, that's how I want to do it. So bend it and it will come here like that probably. And I will hot glue this wire onto the back of the thing, on the back of the phone. Okay, solder it. Nice. Finally a solid connection. Okay. So it will stay like that, and this needs to go on the negative somewhere, which is battery negative. I can... Oh, let's get out the multimeter. It's not shame to check it. So, which one is... this is not, this is it. Okay. So on the corner I can connect the negative lead. No problem. It can be long, it doesn't matter. And just connect it there. Hopefully. Let's check for shorts. Nope, it's not shorted. Okay. So we can try to charge it, I think. Do you think? Okay, this is the moment of truth. Let's see. Where's my power bank? Here it is. Here's the power bank, switch it on. Yes. Connect the phone. It's charging. Oh, it says error. But it's charging the phone. Okay. So it's gonna... Yeah. I should do something about those LEDs. That's... It couldn't find the battery of the module. So yeah, that's kind of annoying. But yeah, it's solvable. So this started charging 1%. And from now on I'll have a USB port once again for charging only on this phone.